Well, new tonight, Hispanics and law enforcement. Police in North Las Vegas introducing a Citizens Academy in Spanish. And 13 Action News reporter MENDEZ now shows you how the program could help build some bridges.
A dozen of residents were selected for this program, and while they may be the students, the police department will also be learning from them. Protect and serve. North Las Vegas Police is teaching people like you and me the ins and outs of the department, and now they are reaching out to the Hispanic community. Itzel Campos was excited to be chosen. She says she's doing this for herself, but also for her loved ones.
Especially me, that I'm so young, I feel like I can share my knowledge with my community. You know, being Hispanic, it's a minority, so we're all very scared when we see policemen, and I think us getting to know them very more will help make the community better.
A feeling that is shared by her classmates and the police officers involved with the program.
We feel we need more outreach to break down the barriers between police and our Hispanic community so they get to know us and they're not afraid of us. We're only here to help them, and we want them to see us as people so they don't feel like they can't call us for anything that they might need.
To close that gap, the North Las Vegas Police Department will be spending 10 weeks teaching locals about the different divisions. All the lessons are in Spanish.
We'll have dispatch, we'll have CSI, we'll have K9, our traffic unit. So depending on the different week, it's different topic, different instructors, which is also great because they get to see different faces of the police department, where officers can truly sit there and dedicate time to answer questions. Where they're out on the road, they're going to calls. It's a lot harder to explain situations to citizens at that time.
The graduation ceremony will take place on May 26th. And for those who are interested in participating in the future, a Citizens Academy in English is expected to happen this fall. Reporting from North Las Vegas, ASTRID Mendez, 13 Action News.